Today, I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn step by step in 2026, even if you are a complete beginner. Because honestly, a lot of people create a LinkedIn account, add their name, and then never touch the platform again. But what many beginners do not realize is that LinkedIn is one of the most powerful platforms for networking jobs, personal branding business, and professional opportunities. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how LinkedIn works, how to set up your profile correctly, and the most important features beginners should know. In 2026 first, what is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a professional networking platform. Basically, it works like social media for careers and business. People use it to find jobs, connect with professionals, build personal brands, share experience, promote businesses, and grow professional networks. Now, the first step, create your account. Go to the official LinkedIn website, LinkedIn, official website, then sign up using your email or Google account. After creating the account, LinkedIn will ask for basic information like your name, location, education, and work experience. Now, something important, your profile matters a lot on LinkedIn because your profile is basically your online resume and personal brand. So let's talk about profile setup. First, upload a clear professional photo. It does not need to look extremely formal, but it should look clean and professional. Now, the next thing, your headline. This is one of the most important sections on LinkedIn because it appears everywhere on the platform. Instead of writing only student or unemployed, try something more descriptive like graphic design student interested in branding and content creation, or beginner, web developer learning front-end design. This helps people understand who you are immediately. Now let's talk about the About section. This is where you introduce yourself. Keep it simple. Explain who you are, what you do, what skills you have, and what interests you professionally. And honestly, you do not need to sound perfect, just sound clear and genuine. Now another important section, experience and education. Add your work experience, school certifications, or projects. Even beginners can add freelance work, student projects, internships, or personal projects. Now let's talk about connections because networking is one of the biggest reasons people use LinkedIn. You can connect with coworkers, friends, recruiters, business owners, creators, and professionals in your industry, but honestly, do not spam random people. Try connecting with people related to your interests or career goals. Now, another important feature, job searching. LinkedIn has a built-in jobs section where companies post opportunities daily. You can search by location, industry, remote jobs, salary, or experience level. And honestly, many companies actively recruit directly through LinkedIn now. Now let's talk about posting content because this is where LinkedIn changed a lot in recent years. People now use LinkedIn not only for jobs, but also for building personal brands. You can post career advice, business content, projects, achievements, industry opinions, or learning experiences. And honestly, consistent posting can help you grow visibility much faster. Now, another useful feature, skills and endorsements. You can add skills to your profile and other people can endorse those skills. For example, marketing design, editing, coding, or communication. This helps strengthen your profile, especially for recruiters. Now let's talk about LinkedIn Premium, because many beginners ask about it. LinkedIn does have paid features like advanced networking tools, extra job insights, and messaging features, but honestly, most beginners can start perfectly fine using the free version. Now another important tip, keep your profile active. Update your experience, skills, and projects regularly, because inactive profiles usually perform much worse. Now let's be honest for a second. Many people underestimate LinkedIn because it looks boring compared to other social platforms. But honestly, LinkedIn can open real opportunities, jobs, clients, business connections, and collaborations, especially if you use it consistently. So to wrap this up, if you want to start using LinkedIn in 2026, create your account, optimize your profile, add experience and skills, build connections, search for opportunities, and start posting content consistently. Because honestly, LinkedIn can become one of the most valuable platforms for your career and online growth.